I want to do a quick video now that we have established how to find least common denominator, and I want to show how to add and subtract using the fraction circles also. So our problem here is 5/6 plus 1/3. So if I have 5/6, that means I have 5 of these pieces in my fraction. And if I have 1/3, that means I have one of these pieces. So the best way to figure out what to do now is I'm going to see how many pieces my 1/3 would be cut into if I put it on top of my 1/6. So let me line these up correctly where you can see it a little bit better. Now, if I look at my 1/3, I can see that it would be cut into two pieces here. So if 1/3 is using the least common denominator of 6, the way we would ordinarily do this is we would take the 3 and divide it into 6. It would go 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2. That's the traditional way. The way of using the circles is to just look beneath the line and see that this becomes 2/6. So now I'm going to add that 2/6 to that 5/6, and I'm going to get 7/6. So that's the really simple way of doing the addition. Now, if I were doing the subtraction instead, I would do the same thing. I would figure out what my 1/3 was, and the 1/3 becomes 2/6. And then instead of adding the 2, I would just subtract them. So what I would do in this case is I would take my 5, let's write that a little bit differently, 5/6, and I would subtract my 2/6, and I would end up with 3/6. Now, what you can also do at this point is go back to the 1/6 circle and ask the students what 3/6 is equivalent to, and they should understand that it's equivalent to 1/2. So what this does is it not only allows them to add and subtract, but it also shows them how they can reduce their fraction down to the smallest fraction. I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, give me a like and let me know. Thank you.